The fish tale. Question and answer of page 10 to 15. Some pick big numbers. Children, in the class 4 Math Magic, you have heard of the number in our country where bricks are made. What other things have you heard of in lakhs? Can you tell them? Yes, cost of truck, cost of bus, population in towns, annual salary of an employee, etc., etc., etc. Isn't it? Write the number 1000. Now write 100,000. So how many zeros are there in the number 1 lakh? Easy, isn't it? 1000 is equal to 1 0 0 0. 100,000 is also called as 1 lakh. That is 1 0 0 0 0 0. Then total number of zeros in 1 lakh is 5. There are about 2 lakh boats in our country. Half of them are without a motor. What is the number of boats with a motor? Write it. It is so simple. From the question, it is given that there are about 2 lakh boats in our country. Then half of them are without a motor. The number of boats with a motor is equal to 2 lakhs divided by 2. That is 1 lakh motors. About 1/4 of the boats with a motor are big machine boats. How many thousand machine boats are there? Come on, don't try to write it. Do it without writing. From the question, it is given that about 1/4 of the boats with a motor are big machine. Number of boats are 10,000. So 1/4 of 10,000 is 2,500. Therefore, number of machine boats are 2,500. The next question. Where have you heard of a crore? What was the number used for? I heard of a crore in population of country. 1 crore is equal to 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. Total number of zeros are 7. At what price per kg did Fazila sell the kingfish? Fazila can hardly carry the big kingfish and she says this fish weighs 8 kg. So she will sell the whole for rupees 1,200. Then the price of that kingfish for 1 kg will be 1,200 divided by 8. You will get the cost of per kg, that is 150 rupees. Floramma has sold 10 kg prawns today. How much money did she get for that? Floramma sells prawns for rupees 150 per kg. Given Floramma has sold 10 kg prawns today. So total amount she get, that is 150 into 10, that is 1,500. Next question. Gracie sold 6 kg swordfish. Minnie has earned as much money as Gracie. How many kg of sardines did Minnie sell? Given that Gracie sold 6 kg swordfish. Then price of 1 kg of swordfish is rupees 60. Total money earned by Gracie is equal to 6 into 60, that is 360 rupees. But Minnie sold sardine at rupees 40 per kg. Total weight of sardine sold by Minnie is 360 divided by 40, that is 9 kg. This 360 you got that it is given in the question that Minnie has earned as much money as Gracie. So when Gracie earned 360 rupees, the same amount Minnie has earned. Therefore, the total weight of sardine sold by Minnie is 360 divided by 40, that is 9 kg. Bashir has 100 rupees with him. He spends 1/4 of the money on squid and another 1/3 on prawns. So the question here is, how many kilograms of squid did he buy? So given that Bashir has 100 rupees, he spends 1/4 of the money on squid. That is 1/4 of 100 rupees is 25 rupees. So Karuthamma sells squid for 50 rupees kg. So how much kilogram of squid Bashir bought? That is 50 rupees 1 kg. That means 25 rupees में कितना मिलेगा उसको? That is 25 divided by 50 is equal to half kg of squid. So next question, how many kilograms of prawns did he buy? So it was given that Bashir has 100 rupees. So he spends another 3/4 on prawns, that is 75 rupees. Floramma sells prawns for 150 rupees per kg. So Bashir bought 75 divided by 150, that is half kg of prawns. That means 150 rupees का 1 kg है, तो 75 rupees में कितना मिलेगा? That is half kg of prawns. Women's Meenkar Bank. The meeting of the Meenkar Bank just begun. Fazila is the president. 20 fisherwomen have made their own bank. Each saves rupees 25 every month and puts it in the bank. How much money does the group collect each month? So, कितने पैसे इकट्ठे करते हैं वो हर महीने? एक फिशर वुमन सेव्स 25 रुपीज, तो 20 फिशर वुमेन कितना कलेक्ट करेंगे? सो टोटल मनी कलेक्टेड इन बैंक ईच मंथ इज 20 into 25, that is 500. How much money will be collected in 10 years? That is, so from the above solution, total money collected in bank per month. हर महीने कितने पैसे जमा करते हैं? 500 रुपये. Then total money collected in bank in 1 year, एक महीना, और एक साल में कितने महीने होते हैं? 12 months. तो 1 month में 500, तो 12 months में 12 into 500, that is 6,000 rupees. Now total money collected in bank in 10 years, एक साल में 6,000 है, तो 10 साल में कितना होगा? 6,000 into 10, that is 60,000 rupees. Gracie needs money to buy a net. Jhansi and her sister wants to buy a log boat, so they take a loan from